Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we are headed to the Strumpshaw Steam Rally, which is quite a big event with loads of steam engines, tractors, classic cars, everything like that. Now it is quite a windy day today, so I'm not too sure what we'll be able to do in terms of audio, but we'll be bringing you along and showing you what we see.
cherry for it as well. And the Bristol has been for the last 2 days as well. Very nice fly, this one.
Carries 100 gallons of water, and it's not metric, it was 100 gallons then, none of this litre stuff, and has a 500 gallon a minute pump on the back. So as soon as you got to a fire, fairly quick you had to be dropped into a water supply, a hydrant.
That was an idea Burroughs came up with to create a more economical engine. Built 1920, supplied as one of a batch of 4 steam tractors now, Herefordshire County Council, commissioned until the mid-1950s for haulage. So designed for towing loads, travelling by road, fitted with rubber tyres, springing, front tank or belly tank to travel extra distance between water stops today. And that's our longest travelled exhibitor, having come all the way from Aberdeen for this weekend. Okay, next one here, this is a Burrell SCC and a conventional circuit. Michael Luck completed the renovation in 2016, but John sadly never got to see it completed before he died. Purchased by its present owners in October 2018, owned by the East to Garrett 4CD tractors. I'm in 35 years on February the 14th, and it's owned and driven by Terry and Val Maynard. There we are, very smart engine that, and Terry and Val have been supporting us here at Strumpshaw Innovation Scene. This one's named Bessie, and it's recently had boiler work done by Mr. Mervyn Mays opposite the Gallopers in the fairground to build the engine, so something of a milestone there. And this is just before he sold it to Mark and family. Another real family engine, and driven today by Mark and steered by Jack, because although he could stand up yesterday, and a friend of mine used to bring it on the low loader, and he always used to come through Brundle until I told him the height of the bridge, and then he said, well, at the horsepower, the same engine is 6 horsepower or 8 horsepower, the steam rollers tend to go by weight, so you have an 8-ton. Roger Adams. Eyes at Bull were famous for having a very large fleet. Barrel traction engine is called the Lurcher, this one. It's 8 horsepower, built 1921. Engine work threshing in Essex and was purchased straight from work by the present owner in the 1960s. Going on to travel many miles since introduction and excursion to the West Country under her own steam in 2015. It's owned by Mike Kessel. Nice engine, that one, big engine, and new to the Key family in Norfolk, so very nice to see it here at Strumpshaw. Eric James bought it for £68 with the brass work, so bought my present owner from Eric James in 1981. And it's tentatively rebuilt. Purchased in 1987 by Tom Hatch and remained in Swindon. Rollers. Aveling engines have a horse on the front. There is a reason for that, and if you ask me later, I will tell you what it is. This one underneath, that engine was driven here under its own steam from Fordham near Ely last Sunday, and luckily Andrew had got a local guide, otherwise he's convinced he'd still be riding round the lanes of Norfolk trying to find the rally field. The next one is our Barrel SCC Devonshire Road locomotive, this one, 6 horsepower, built 1899, spent whole working life overseas, brought back from Australia in 2007 and restored to its present condition, and is owned by Michael Plum. Another regular here at Strumpshaw, a nice small road engine. Foden wagons, I think Chris is waiting for the barrel to clear the sandpit to give him a fair run in. This is a Boadicea, a wagon that worked locally for May Gurney of Norwich. It was then involved in a deal between George Cushing of Hereford and Alan Bloom of Bressingham, and spent many years in the collection of Bressingham. Food and steam bus built by the owner to accommodate his larger frame, which is one of the resident engines here at Strumpshaw. It's joined the collection in 1968 and had much work carried. This is a Fowler agricultural engine called the Countess, this one. 6 horsepower, built 1908. New on September the 11th, 1908 at Alf Morgan. Spent part of the Second World War as a power source for a carpet factory. Dave family and many other friends as well. It's underdriven by James Rexdale. And that's followed by Mr. Wolf Steam Car. A Lightermobile steam car, this one, and unlike your traction engine, they're not coal-fired, they're Daniel Young of Whitney Oxon, then passed to John Allen and Sons, worked for them until 1940s, and 2, 1!